It's Margarita, and today we are bringing you something from the house of Jean Paul Gaultier, Le Male Pride Edition. Now, you all know I cannot get enough of those JPG bottles. Yes, those beautiful artistic busts that just adorn a shelf and make it look like a work of art. Now, that said, they have a new 2022 flanker of their most popular fragrance, in my opinion, Le Male. Now, Le Male smells so good on so many men, but we have yet to smell the Pride Edition. So I went to Macy's and I picked this up for him and wanted to get his feedback on it because he does seem to like the JPG collection. And I checked out some of the notes and they were very fresh, so I'm like, let's give this one a try. So you know that JPG is known for being loud with the designs, and this is no exception. Honey, there are stripes, colors, and rainbows all over, and I just love it because I love a nice, colorful presentation. All right. Sorry for the crinkling of the plastic. This is an on-camera unboxing, first impression. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. It's got his little crop top on and a beautiful silver bust. I really like this. Is a beautiful presentation. JPG, you gotta come with it to be able to compete with their bottles. But I'm gonna let Mr. Man check it out and see how it smells.
All right, a bottle with a t-shirt.
He said a bottle with a t-shirt.
The bottle has a t-shirt.
Yeah, you gotta take the neck plug off. Yeah, so JPG bottles typically don't have lids. They have these things that go on the neck to block the spray. I don't know what it's called, but it's got a little pull cord on it. Almost like a hand grenade. Did you spray it? Oh, he's fine. He's finding a clean spot to spray it. He's always so delicate with new fragrance bottles. And while he's letting this dry down, I'll read the notes. These notes sound so yummy. Oh my God. Yuzu, blood orange, neroli, orange blossom, white woods, and musk. I actually want to try this on. Look how he handed me the bottle. The bottle is becoming undressed right before our eyes. Naughty bottle. Bad bottle. This actually, just based on the notes, sounds like it'd be a wonderful unisex fragrance. Oh my goodness.
It's different.
Okay, different how? What are you picking up?
So I'm not a scent connoisseur like yourself, but it's different. It kind of gives me the same first impression when I first smelled Tom Ford. Tom Ford had its own uniqueness to it. The first time I sprayed the Neroli Portofino, I had never smelled something that mimicked that.
Which was his first Tom Ford fragrance, by the way.
So it's different. Like normally I'll tell you when I smell something, it smells like, department store fragrance counter, or run of the mill. It's different. I can't really explain it. I like it, but I don't.
Interesting. That's actually rare that he smells something that doesn't smell like something else that he's into. Yeah, the neroli is a note that works very well with him. Also, it has orange blossom, which works well with me. Yuzu can sometimes go sour, but sour notes work well with him and not with me. And what else is in this? Musk works well with both of us. White woods works great with my chemistry. So between the two of us, it seems like a match made in heaven. Now on me, oh my God, it smells like sexy orange juice. Apologies if the frame appears shifted. That's because it is. Technical difficulties. My camera stopped mid-video. So we're back. But as I was saying, this is like sexy orange juice. But now that it's had a chance to dry down, it's a little musty on me. But I think it's the yuzu. What about you?
It's it has a little bit of musk to it. So that's the reason why I was like, I like it, but I don't. And that's the note that seems to reach out on the dry down, the part that I don't like.
Yeah, and that's the thing. Usually when you don't like how something smells, that is the first thing that sticks out to you. Yeah, I love the opening, but the dry down, and of course it's all about the dry down. no bueno. But the presentation is great. It is unisex. If sour notes work well with your chemistry, go for it. But tell me, what is your favorite JPG fragrance? We would love to know. Also, like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. And until next time, I am Margarita. He is Mr. Man, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Toodles.